Hello, this is Matt Doctor for iTechNews.gr. Today we're going to see something familiar, sort of, to many of you. Now, what you see here, you see my mobile from Xiaomi, you see Amazfit GTR 1, right? And a box that came to me yesterday from Amazfit. So if you haven't understood it till now, I'm going to show you something related to Amazfit and GTR 1. What that could be. Amazfit GTR 2. As I told you, it came to me yesterday, but I couldn't open the box because I was working at the hospital. So this is the global version of Amazfit. At the side we can see some options of the mobile, of the second version of the well-known smartwatch, not mobile. It has multiple sports mode, AMOLED display, two things that we already have seen at the first version of the watch, and blood oxygen saturation measurement. This is gonna be fun because if they use the same sensor with the same program as Amazfit Band 5, then it's gonna be a disaster. Now, at the other side, we have here sleep quality monitoring, long-lasting battery. To be truth, my GTR 1, the battery lasts about 7 to 10 days with a lot of usage and a lot of messages that come to me because of the site. And one new option that we haven't had it till now, neither at Amazfit GTR or Amazfit GTS, is the ability of storing music files and be able to listen them after that. You can connect through Wi-Fi, if I'm not wrong, with your smartwatch and transfer up to 4 gigabyte, if I remember well the number that I have read from the Amazfit page of the device. 4 gigabyte of music, a very nice feature, something that we must test and see. Now, there are going to be added more features later as the company is going to update the firmware. So I'm going to go gently now and check, apart from the saturation that, since the box says it, it must has it, and I hope this time it's working correctly. At the back says that Amazfit GTR 2, you can see it here, connects through Bluetooth 5. So let's open the box and see what's inside it. We're going to do a very short unboxing of the Amazfit GTR 2 and just have a quick look at the menu of the watch, and after that I'm going to wear it for some days and I'm going to come back with a detailed review, which is not going to be easy, and see if the successor of the Amazfit GTR, a smartwatch that I really liked, is good, and if someone really has should pay all this money to get it. So we're opening up. So it's time to open it up. Let's open it up. I have already opened it and set it the smartwatch I wanted to see. Now this is the box, white. And here we have the smartwatch it's activated, as you can see. Now, this is the first image that you see from the GTR 2. As you can see here, the sensors are really different from the GTR 1. This is GTR 2, this is GTR 1. Here at the side we can see the speakers, and here is the mic, if I'm not wrong. Now, GTR 1, if you see the menu by swiping up, you can see the menu. Here, it doesn't have this. Well, you swipe it down and you see all the options that has, the most of the options. This is for the flashlight. Here is for the luminity. You can see the battery, weather, UV. Here is battery saver to activate it, lock the screen. This is for theatrical mode, something new. This is to search for the mobile. You see, this is for the sound, how strong it's going to be from the speakers. This is the theatrical mode, theater mode as it says, and this is the keep watch awake mode. Now here it has the notifications, nothing else. Now if you turn it this way or this way, it doesn't matter. Has pi, steps, situation, and so on. It's heartbeat, weather, control of music, and alarms. Weather, heart rate, activity. Here's the saturation. And the saturation. Activity goal. Audio source, playlist. Here you can connect your Bluetooth earphones, I guess. And here the music. Here it has for the following days the weather. Heart rate, how are you? Kilocalories, meter, and my goal. And pi. Sports mode. These are the sports mode. Outdoor running, walking, outdoor cycling, treadmill, lead more cycling. Yeah. I don't know about the GPS. I'm going to test it the next days. We're going to see. What else? Let's see in the app, because in the app has changed from what I have used to see with my GTR 1. So GTR 2, it's a little bit different from what I have used to. Store, it has a lot of watch faces to see. I'm going to choose one. Notifications and reminders. Vibration. Health monitoring, watch settings. app list management, smart assistant, and app settings. It's for phone. It's different from what was before. You can call by watch, music, upload files, weather, alarms, and schedule. Now find watch, it vibrates. The other options are the same. System update, I have the latest. As I opened the watch before, it downloaded the latest firmware, which is now 4.24.22.01, as you can see, about this device. And in English it appeared this menu, because before in Greek I didn't see it. Offline audio command words. So this is something new. Using the mic of the smartwatch to give offline voice commands to work with it. I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna say it. The watch looks good, nice. I'm gonna see if this black color can be added with something different as a wristwatch. Yeah. Now, if you liked my video, please press like, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna come back with a detailed video of it. This is my doctor for iTech News. Bye. Open weather. Open heart rate. Open SPO2. Open Music. Open Music. Open Music.